everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and hanging out with me for another video. So today we are here in my kitchen where I have given my small space kitchen a complete storage makeover by putting together a DIY Butlers Pantry. So this is a really tiny kitchen that used to have like a little laundry to the side. So I have relocated the laundry downstairs to the garage basement. And I have fitted out a IKEA storage unit to act as an open Butlers Pantry. If you would like to see how I created this and absolutely maxed out the storage in this kitchen, just keep watching.
Waking up in my bed, you're still stuck in my head. I'm not even hungover. I wanna call your phone, tell you what you did wrong, then ask you to come over. Not very good with decisions, know what's right, but I don't listen, I don't. And I complain and dismiss it, then I keep on reminiscing. I know, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad for business, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad for business, baby you're bad for business. Not good with consequence, I found myself back again, crying on your shoulder. No, it's not good for me, but I still want your body. So dumb, but it's not over. Not very good with decisions, know what's right, but I don't listen, I don't. And I complain and dismiss it, then I keep on reminiscing. I know.
Alright guys, so I can't promise you that that's going to be it for the dance moves, but I will fill you in with what I'm up to so far. So where the washing machine and the dryer were, I relocated those to the laundry that's downstairs. So there are the facilities like all the tap fittings and a sink that is downstairs in the basement garage. My son helped me the day before to unhook the dryer from the wall and then move that downstairs. And then on this day, I just moved the washing machine out, as you saw earlier, and then brought this storage cabinet, which I've had for years and years and years. It is an IKEA Besta cabinet, and I just popped that up where the washing machine and dryer were. Once I had that in place, I just fiddled around putting the shelves approximately where I knew I wanted to have things. The heavier things that are most frequently used and that are used by my kids are obviously going to be down on the lower shelves. And then the less frequently used things that are only used by me for like baking, cooking, spices and all that kind of stuff, I don't mind if it's a little bit higher up because my kids obviously don't have to reach it. Now, as you can see, I'm so happy with how this is turning out because it is going to mean that there is so much more storage available in my kitchen. And I don't think that I'm going to miss having the laundry there. Yes, it was very convenient, but it was noisy with the washing machine and the dryer. And the main living area where it's located is where I've got my home office set up. So it was really impacting being able to work or being able to record if the washing machine or dryer was going. Additionally, in Australia, dryers are not vented. So they're just recirculating hot, dusty air throughout the entire house. So it is hot, it's humid because it is pumping damp air throughout the house, and it is just spitting out tons of lint. So the kitchen was constantly covered in dust, and it was just like an uphill battle to keep that kitchen clean and dust free. I am dreading cleaning the top of the cabinets because I am sure it's going to be like thick layer of dust that is going to have to be cleaned off. So I'm totally happy to have the laundry relocated to downstairs. I've previously lived in apartments where the laundry has been outside of the apartment, downstairs, and in the lock-up garage. So I've got no issue with it just being at the bottom of the stairs. And I figure that I leave the house at least once a day anyway for school drop-offs, so I can just whack on a load when I'm going to do the school drop-off. And then by the time I get back, it will be ready to either hang out or just throw in the dryer, and then we are done. So as you can see, I've done my usual trick of spending quite a few hours rearranging everything 1,000 different ways, but just trying to see how all the different containers fit and the configurations to see what works best on which shelves. And I'm sure I'm going to change it a couple of times, over the next few months, but I am absolutely loving having this extra storage space just in the kitchen. It has just taken the pressure off all the other cabinets. So instead of them being kind of chock full to the brim, there's a bit more breathing space, and I've even got like empty cabinets, empty shelves, empty drawers. So it has just definitely taken the pressure off all the other cabinets in the kitchen. Sniff out your little treats, can't you?
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side.
So guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me and seeing how I did this DIY Butlers Pantry and gave my entire kitchen a really much needed storage makeover. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It is really great feedback for me. It helps my channel out a ton and it lets me know that you enjoy this type of video. If you do want to see a full organized kitchen tour, just leave a comment below. I'll be happy to film it for you. I'll probably do it next week after I've done a full grocery shop, so when it's making the most of the storage space that I've created today. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe before you go. Hang out and watch another few videos. I'll leave some linked in the description that I think you'll enjoy. Have a fabulous week, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.
Think we lost all, but who will take the fall? Who will win it all? You know the cost, still you go through walls. Keep on acting small. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got back.
Did you finish your chicken? Yay! You finished all your food! Good boy! Oh, good boy, you ate up all your food. I'm so proud of you, Freddie. You're the best eater. eater in the whole wide world. You ate all your chicken and your biscuits. The biscuits, Mummy, the best biscuits in the world. Good boy, good boy. I don't want your chicken. No. I don't want your chicken kisses. I don't want your chicken kisses. I just believe that you love me. Alright, okay, chicken breath. I love you, but I don't want your chicken kisses. You say, hi everybody, I ate all my food. I ate all my food and I made my mummy very proud. I make my mummy very proud when I do things like eat all the chicken. Little pumpkin. Mummy loves you. Now, go and have a snooze or go and play.